In a realm where reality bends to will, a wizard embarks on a perilous journey. In the heart of this realm, a figure of immense power and wisdom emerges from the shadows, our wizard. An enigma wrapped in riddles, he is a beacon of hope in a world shrouded in darkness. His journey leads him to the brink of a vast abyss, a gaping maw in the earth that stretches as far as the eye can see. The path he seeks is on the other side, obscured by the void. But the wizard is unfazed. A challenge, yes, but impossible. Never. He decides to use his magic, the lifeblood of his existence, to create a bridge across this abyss. He starts to gather energy, pulling from the elements around him. The very air begins to crackle with the raw, untamed power of his spell. As the wizard stands at the precipice, his concentration unbroken, a spark of magic forms in his palms. With a wave of his hand, the wizard releases his spell, and the magic takes form. The spell begins to manifest, a glimmering arc of light that emerges from the wizard's fingertips, reaching out into the gaping abyss. The air itself seems to ripple, shimmering and shifting as the bridge takes shape, a radiant testament to the wizard's power. The wizard stands tall, his robes billowing around him as he weaves his spell, his hands dancing in a delicate ballet of precision and control. His voice rises, the words of his incantation echoing around him, each syllable a key turning in the lock of reality. The light grows brighter, more solid, casting long dancing shadows as it stretches across the chasm, a ribbon of brilliance against the dark void. The bridge is a marvel, a thing of beauty and power born of the wizard's skill and resolve. It glows, a river of light, a path of pure magic solidifying under the wizard's command. It's a testament to the arcane arts, a tangible proof of the wizard's mastery over the elements of creation. The wizard does not hesitate. He steps onto the bridge, his foot meeting not air but solid light. He takes another step, then another, each footfall a testament to the power of his magic. The bridge holds, steady and sure beneath his feet, a path of light against the darkness of the abyss. The wizard moves with grace and confidence, his journey across the abyss a testament to his unwavering resolve. Every step he takes, every breath he draws, echoes with the power of his spell. The light of the bridge illuminates his path, a beacon in the darkness, a symbol of his power. He walks, head held high, across the bridge he conjured from nothing, a bridge of pure light, a path across the abyss. The wizard reaches the other side, his journey across the abyss a success. His spell, a bridge of light, stands as a beacon of his power and resolve.